Greetings, everyone. My name is Angie Petroni. I'm the Executive Director of the Colorado Department of Higher Education. I want to talk to you today about a new opportunity for students in Colorado. In 2019, the General Assembly passed House Bill 19-1196, Financial Aid for Students, with in-state tuition, which allows state aid to be awarded to students who do not have lawful immigration status but have resided in the state for at least 3 years before graduating from a Colorado high school or passing a high school equivalency exam. The Colorado application for state financial aid, CASFA, is the application by which students that meet the qualifications can apply for this aid. As you know, there are students who can apply for FAFSA, which is the free application for federal student aid. This is CAFSA, the Colorado application for state financial aid, and it gives qualified students immediate access to apply for the $160 million Colorado allocates annually in financial aid every year. CASFA is a safe, easy way to apply for state financial aid if you are a Colorado asset student that's advancing students for a stronger tomorrow. CASFA positively supports families and is a logical next step in efforts to erase equity gaps and put college in reach for the families who benefit most from a post-secondary education. Non-U.S. citizen residents and non-resident students can file a CASFA to qualify for institutional aid. CASFA supports the department's efforts to make college more affordable by reducing the cost of obtaining a credential and maximizing a student's higher education investment. State aid, including grants, scholarships, and work-study funds, help open the door to higher education for students who have attended high school in Colorado, but who are not eligible for federal financial aid. If you qualify for federal aid, you should not fill out the CAFSA. You should fill out the FAFSA, the free application for federal student aid. The CASFA is the Colorado application for state financial aid and is really directed toward our asset students, those students who are advancing for a stronger tomorrow, students who are ineligible for federal student aid. In Colorado, all students are our students, and we want to make sure that all students have a pathway to a post-secondary education of their choice. And so we're with you, we support you, and we've got money for you. Apply for the CAFSA, and you can find that on our website at highered.colorado.gov. Here's to you.